Hello my dear children. Today in this video we are going to discuss question number 5 of exercise 10.4 from chapter Circles. Let's see the question. The question is, three girls Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. So I'm just roughly drawing a circle whose center is O. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. So I'm just locating Reshma, Salma and Mandeep on the circle. And Reshma is throwing ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. So it's given that if the distance between Reshma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each. So between Reshma and Salma to Mandeep is 6 meter each. What is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So we need to find this distance, that is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So this is just the given information. Now what I'm doing, I'm just joining all the points to the center because these are nothing but the radii of the circle, that is 5 meter. Fine. So this is the given information and a rough diagram we have drawn. Now let's see a correct figure. Now this is the correct figure and we can observe here that OR is equals to OM and RS is equals to SM. And we know such a quadrilateral in which we are having two pair of equal length adjacent sides. See, RO and OM, they are equal, and RS and SM, they are equal and they are adjacent to each other. The equal sides are adjacent to each other, and this kind of quadrilateral is known as kite. So here in this question, we are going to revise the properties of kite first, and then we are going to use the properties of kite to solve this question. And this is going to be very easy. Once you will get all the properties of kite, it's going to be very easy for you to get the answer. So let's revise all the properties. So first of all, we know that in a kite, we are having two pairs of equal length adjacent sides. That is, in this one, we are having OR is equals to OM and SR is equals to SM. Next, the angles between the congruent sides are called as vertex angles. So in this figure, angle ROM, that is this angle, and angle RSM, this angle, these are vertex angles. Which are vertex angles? The angles between the congruent sides. These are the congruent sides, OR and OM, and in between this, we are having angle ROM, and similarly, in between RS and SM, we are having angle RSM. So these two angles, these are known as vertex angles. And the other two angles are called as non-vertex angles. That is, in the figure, angle ORS, that is this one, and angle OMS, these are non-vertex angle, and the property of non-vertex angle is that they are equal to each other. That is ORS, angle ORS is equals to angle OMS. Fine. Now, this diagonal, that is diagonal OS, which is passing through the vertex angles, this diagonal divide a kite into two congruent triangles. That means, if you will observe the figure carefully, the diagonal OS is dividing the kite into two congruent triangles, that is triangle ORS is congruent to triangle OMS. If you try to prove it, you will prove it by SSS congruency rule. It is clearly visible. Fine. Also, OS bisects angle O and S. So this means that this angle is going to be equal. These are going to be equal to each other. And bisects the other diagonal. OS bisects the other diagonal. It means RT will be equal to TM. RT is equal to TM. One more property we have, the two diagonals intersect each other at 90 degrees. These are the properties of kites. Now let's see the question. So I hope you remember we need to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, that is RM. So we'll write the solution as, from figure we can observe that ORSM is a kite in which OR is equals to OM and SR is equals to SM. Also, OS is perpendicular to RM. Right? Please observe the figure carefully. OS is perpendicular to RM and RT is equals to TM. Or we can say in other words like RM is equals to twice of RT. That means if we'll be able to find this RT, we can easily find RM. And why we are able to write all these things? Just because of properties of kite, we can just mention it in the bracket. Fine. Now we shall take triangle ORS, in which we are having OR 5 meters, OS 5 meters and RS 6 meters. Also we have RT perpendicular to OS. So just see, RT is perpendicular to OS. Fine. What are we going to do? By finding area of triangle ORS using Heron's formula and equating it to half base into height formula, we can easily find RT as we did in question number 1 of the same exercise. So let's start. For area of triangle ORS by Heron's formula, first we need semi-perimeter, that is the sum of all the sides divided by 2, and we are getting the semi-perimeter as 8 meters. Now the area of triangle is given by square root SS minus A, S minus B, S minus C square units. After substituting the values, after prime factorization, we are finding the square root as 12 meters square, that is the area of triangle ORS. Again, in the same triangle, we are going to use the formula half base into height to find the value of RT. Area of triangle we got as 12 meters square, and in the triangle base is OS, that is 5 meters, and the height of the triangle is RT. Fine. Now we'll just cross multiply. 12 into 2 is giving us 24 meters square, and from here we will find out the value of RT, that is 24 upon 5, 4.8 meters. And we have RM is equals to twice of RT. Just substitute the value and we are getting RM is equals to 9.6 meters. That is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So this is how we found the distance between Reshma and Mandeep by using the properties of kite. That's all for today. I hope you have understood the question as well as the solution. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.